y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this breast pump that I got. This breast pump is the Medela, I think that's how you say it, breast pump, Medela. Now, some people, you can get this free with your insurance. That's how I got mine. I will list the link below to where I applied to get this free. So yeah, I was actually shocked that, it was actually free and it came. But hey, that's good. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box so we can start reviewing these items. Was selecting which breast pump I wanted. Like, I was looking on YouTube and I really didn't find the right review that I needed. So I'm just gonna do a complete unboxing. So for any other new moms that may search this or whatever, you would be able to see what pump you're getting. So this is how the box look, and I like this box, girl. It got a black lady on it. She got a little natural hair. She's breastfeeding her baby. Yeah, and so on the side it shows all the things that come with the breast pump. And let's see, does it come with a bag? You can buy a bag to go with it, but it doesn't come with a bag. So I'm not sure if a lot of people know about breast pumps, but when you get the actual items, you're supposed to boil them before you actually use them. With your baby, because I mean, you want them clean and sterile, so you do that. So this is the book on how to start the breast pump and how to get it working. I'm just gonna skim through this. Okay, so it got how to put it together, how to sanitize it. I'm gonna pull out all this little stuff, and then we're just gonna go over it. Okay. Look at the little bottle. So the first thing that I'm going to go over is the biggest thing up here, which is the actual system that pumps the milk, that requires the suction for the milk, and it's this little jigger here. Can I get it out? I can't get it out, but this is how it looks. That's how that looks. So I'm gonna show you where each thing goes, like right there. So in this little package, it comes with these two suction. These are the 24 mm's. I guess if you have smaller nipples, it'll go like this. And then they have the bigger ones, which are the 27 mm's for, bigger nips. So yeah, in here it comes with this cord. This cord is what you hook into. You hook it into there. One cord there, one cord there. They'll come out. Oh, this is making sense. I might go put one together for y'all. So yeah, I'll put one together for y'all. Like I said, I'm just gonna put one of them together instead of both of them. What are these? Alright, so this is how you have the bottle set up, and then you'll just add one of these to the ends, just like that. And so with this little machine here, you're just gonna suction it on there. So this is how it should look. See, I got one in there, and it's gonna go to whichever breast, like this. And it's gonna pump your milk for you. So also let me take this apart because I don't want to lose any of these, because I'll need all of these, you feel me? So to get the milk out, it has different settings on it. These are the different settings. It goes off and then minimum. Minimum starts over there. It goes all the way around to max. And so it only comes with 2 bottles. I did put these bottles on my registry so that I'll get more of these exact bottles. You can buy these bottles separately from the pump if you want, but they send you 2 just to start off with drinking. So it also comes with 2 disposable nursing pads. Super absorbent material, prevent leakage and maintain dryness. Soft and added comfort. Double adhesive tape. Oh, double adhesive tape keeps pad in place. So let's see. Okay, so these are nursing pads. You'll just place these on your nip-nips so that you won't be leaking through your shirt. They will send you 2 of these nursing pads. Here is a battery pack. So I gotta go to the store and get some batteries for it. So it comes like this. That's where you'll put the batteries in it. And like I said, you'll just buy some batteries from the store, put that in there with that. Okay, so this is a power adapter. You plug it into the wall and you use this when it's in advanced style mode. So I guess that'll just give you like a little bit more suction so that you'll be able to pump more in a less time. So yeah, so that's my unboxing for this breast pump. I can't wait to use it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.